Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to find archived chats on Gmail using the updated method. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Launch the Gmail application on your Android smartphone or tablet by tapping on the Gmail icon. 2. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top left. In the Gmail app, locate and tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the Gmail menu. 3. Select All Mail. From the menu options, choose All Mail. This selection will display all your emails, including the archived ones, in the Gmail app. By following these steps, you can easily find archived chats on Gmail using your Android device. Accessing archived emails allows you to retrieve and view messages that you have previously archived for better organization and management of your emails. Thank you for watching, and enjoy rediscovering your archived chats on Gmail using these simple steps.